SBA Publications.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. This is your mentor Soni Sati, and today with me we are starting our chapter number 10, and the name of our chapter is Money. So today in this chapter we are going to learn how we add money, how we subtract money, how we multiply money, and so many more terms with this. So let's start. Firstly we have let's revise portion. Here we have some question. We use money to buy or sell things in our daily life. Money can be combination of rupees and पैसे. Okay. So जब हम मनी की बात कहेंगे तो हम combination of rupees और पैसे की बात कर रहे हैं. So here we have 20 rupee note, 10 rupee note, that is 30 rupee note. Now 100 rupee note and 50 rupee note becomes rupees 150. So we are doing here simply addition. See, here we have a question, complete the table. 50 plus 20 plus 5. So 50 plus 20 is 70 plus 5 is 75. So here we have to write 75 rupees in figures and the names also. So here we have 20 plus 5 plus 1. So it is 26. Do not forget to write the symbol of rupee also. Here we will write 26 and then rupees. And this is how we will do this activity. Now we have the very first topic of this chapter, conversion rupees in पैसे. So अब हम करेंगे conversion. Conversion of rupees into पैसे. 1 rupee equals to 100 पैसे. So हमें पता है कि 1 rupee 100 पैसे है. So इससे हम क्या करेंगे, अपनी calculation करेंगे. Here this toy is saying that to convert rupees and पैसे into पैसे, remove rupees and the dot, write P for पैसे at the end. So यहाँ पे एक ट्रिक है कि जब भी आपको रुपीस एंड पैसे में कोई वैल्यू दी होगी, आपको उसमें क्या करना है, रुपीस का साइन सिंबल हटाकर, डॉट को भी हटाकर आपको लास्ट में जस्ट P लिख देना है. ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 5 rupees 50 पैसे, दैट मीन्स rupees 5.50. So what you have to do here, remove this point and remove this symbol, just write 550 and P for denoting paise. Similarly, we have some question here like 4 rupees 75 paise. So it will be 4.75 rupees. And removing this dot and the symbol of rupee, we are getting here 475 paise. In a similar manner, we have one more part which you people will do by yourself. Now we have conversion of पैसे into rupees. So अब smaller unit से bigger unit की ओर जाएंगे. We follow simple steps to convert पैसे into rupees and पैसे. For example, we have 9400 पैसे. That means rupees 94. Okay. Then 4850 पैसे. That means rupees 48 and 50 पैसे. So what are these simple steps? You have to just get the two places. Okay. So अगर आपके पास कोई भी वैल्यू है 2 zeros है, so simply we can say that it contains 4 rupees. Okay. And अगर डॉट में होगा तो आपको लास्ट की 2 digit पॉइंट के बाद में लिखनी है. And the rest digit you have to write here. For example, we have 7890. So to convert this, we have to write here 78 rupees and 90 paise. Okay. Now we have mental maths portion. Before that we have a let's do activity also. Here we have convert these into paise. So 6.40. So we know the step. Remove this and this. Just write this and write P for paise. Now convert into rupees. 350 paise will be 3 and then point then 50. And before that you have to write the symbol of rupee also. Mental maths. Jack has 9 rupees 40 paise while Emily has 9 rupees 45 paise. Luke has 914 paise. Who has the most money? So 9 rupees 40 paise, 9.45 and 914. So who has most money? We can see this one, Emily. So we will write here Emily. Now we have the very first exercise of this chapter. Question number 1. Convert into paise. So 8 rupee will contain 800 paise. 33 rupee 0.50. So 33.50 will contain 3350p. That is paise. This is how you will do this question. Then we have question number 2. Convert into rupees 455 paise. So you have to just apply dot here and rupee sign here. So it will be rupee 4.55. And this is how you will do all the rest of the part of this question. Now we have the topic addition and subtraction of money. We add money in the same way as we do the addition of ordinary numbers. Simple numbers के addition की तरह ही हमें money का भी addition करना है. We regroup where needed. जहाँ पे जरूरत होगी वहाँ पे हम regroup करेंगे. It is important to separate the rupees and paise by putting the point or by writing them in separate columns. So हमें जब भी इसे लिखना है तो हमें important क्या चीज है? सेपरेट करना है रुपीज एंड पैसे को. हमें पता है कि हम जब भी मेजरमेंट की एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन करते थे हम यूनिट्स का ध्यान देते थे. सिमिलरली रुपीज के केस में भी, मनी के केस में भी हमें यूनिट्स का ध्यान देना है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे 2 यूनिट्स है, दैट इज रुपीज एंड पैसे. इनको आपको अलग अलग लिखना है सेपरेट एंड कॉलम्स में. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. एट 2647 प्लस रुपीज 1351. सो इट इज rupees 26.47 paise, rupees 13.51 paise. Here this point is separating the paise and rupees. Now while adding we are getting the answer, that is 39.98. Okay. Now we have example number 2. Subtract 1650 from 40. So just write the bigger value firstly and then write the smaller value, that is 16.50. Now after subtracting we are getting difference, that is 23.50. So answer is rupees 23.50 paise. Now we have exercise 10.2 in which we are going to do addition and subtraction of money only. So first is add 17.25 and 44.65. So let's start adding them. 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 4 is 11, 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So answer is rupees 61.90 paise. Then we have question number 2. Here we have to prepare a column firstly, then we have to put the values and get the answer by calculating. So here we are writing here that 23.90 paise, and this is rupees. Okay, and adding 14.65. Now 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 6 is 15. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 is 8. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Answer is rupees 38.55 paise. Okay. Now we have the third question in which we have to do subtraction. First is I am doing for you. The rest of the part you people will do by yourself. Now 5 minus 0 is 5. Now 6 minus 8 is not possible. So we will make this 6 as 16 and this 5 will turn into 4. Now 16 minus 8 is 8. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. Do not forget to apply dot. Now 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. That means we have the answer, that is rupees 60.85 paise. Then we have question number 4. Here we have to make a column by ourselves. Then we have to do the calculation. So here it is 29 rupees 50 paise from 100 rupees. So we will write here 100 and then dot, then 0, 0. Then we will write the second value which is smaller than this, that is 29.50. After that simply do subtraction of these two numbers. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 5 is 5. This will become 10 and this will become 9. Okay. Now 9 minus 9 is 0 and 9 minus 2 is 7. And this 0 will 0. So your answer is rupees 70 50. Okay, this is how you will get the answer. Then we have question number 5. A Very bought a book for rupees 126.50 and notebook for rupees this. How much money did she spend in all? So you have to do simply addition of these two numbers. And in the same manner, we have some more question on the basis of word problems. You have to do here simply addition or subtraction as per the question says. So, by here we have completed this exercise. Now we are moving towards our next topic. Before that, I would like to say that the rest of the part of above exercise you people have to do by yourself. Now, multiplication of money by a whole number. Multiplication is similar to the multiplication of ordinary numbers. Again, जब हम मनी का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे ये सिंपल है लाइक अ ऑर्डिनरी नंबर के मल्टीप्लिकेशन की तरह. Example number 1, multiply 5.50 by 4. So, step says that first multiply the paise. So, 50 into 4 is 200. Write 0, 0 in the paise column because you know paise column contains only 2 places. Okay, and carry to the now. Step 2 is now multiply the rupees. Do not forget to add the carry over. So, जो हमने यहाँ से carry over लिया है उसको भूलना नहीं है. And then हमें multiplication करना है rupees column में. That is 5. So, 5 into 4. That is 20. And the carried over 2. So, it will be 22 at the rupees place. And paise place contain 0, 0. So, your answer is 22.00. Now, we have example number 2. Cost of one notebook is 22.85. Find the cost of 7 notebooks. So, you have to do here simply multiplication. 22.85 into 7. So, firstly doing multiplication of this, we are getting 595. Okay. Now, 5 is carried over to this place. Now, 7 into 22. And then adding answer. With 5, we are getting 159. So, we are getting the answer that is 159.95 rupees. Now, we have exercise 10.3. This is the third exercise of this chapter in which we have to do multiplication of the money. So, first is 9.95 into 6. So, one I am doing for you. Rest of the part you people will do by yourself. Rupees 9.95 into 6. So, recite the table of 6 5 times. Okay. So, 5 6 are 30 and 9 6 are 54, 54, 55, 56, 57. So, it will be 5 and 7. Now, 9 6 are again 54 and 54 plus 5 is 59. So, your answer is 59.70. Okay. Do not forget to bring the dot in between these digits. So, your answer is 59.70. In a similar manner, rest of the part you people can do by yourself. Now, we have question number 2. The cost of a bus ticket is rupees 34.50. If 8 people buy the tickets, how much will they pay? So, एक बस टिकट की कोस्ट है 34.50. 8 लोग हैं जो जिनकी टिकट हमें चाहिए. 8 लोग टिकट खरीद रहे हैं. सो इसको हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो हियर इट इज 34.50 and simply multiplication with 8. 8 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 4 is 36, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 3 is 27. Okay, so this is your answer. This is how you will get the answer. Then we have question number 3 that you people will do by yourself because this is again a word problem based on multiplication only. Now, division of money by a whole number. Cost of 6 balloons is rupees 78 as it is given. Now, find the cost of one balloon. So, 6 balloon की cost है 78. Okay. So, आपको बताना है एक balloon की कितनी होगी. So, you have to do the division. So, 78 divided by 6 will result to the answer. That is, when we are dividing this, 6 ones are 6, we are getting 1, now 8, 6 3s are 18. That means 13 is our answer. One balloon cost is 30. Okay, as here it is solved. Now we have exercise 10.4. Here we have the so many questions which are based on division of money. So first question is divide rupees 954 with 6. So you have to do the simply division like a ordinary number. So 6 and 954. So we will take one value. So 6 ones are 6. We are getting 3 now. 5. Bringing down. Now 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. So we will write here 6 5s are 30. Now we are getting 5. Now 4. And 6 9s are 54. Answer is 159. That means 954 divided by 6 results 159. Will result 159. Will result 159. So here it is written 159. Okay. Then we have question number 2, 3 and 4 which are based on word problem, and you have to do the simply division here also. Then we have next topic of this chapter, that is bill. The prices of some items in Balaji General Store are given hereafter. So यहाँ पे एक बालाजी स्टोर से सामान लिए हुए के प्राइस गिवन है. First is 234, then 15.25, then 14.50, then 165.50, then 20.50. Now example number 1 is Alexander wants to buy flour, a sandwich, 2 chocolates and a cake. Prepare a bill for him. So यहाँ पे एक अलेक्जेंडर नाम के इंसान है जिसने फ्लावर, सैंडविच और 2 चॉकलेट्स खरीदनी है एंड अ केक खरीदना है. सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर अ बिल. यू विल मेक अ चार्ट, serial number, items, quantity, cost per item and amount. Okay, here amount will contain rupee and paise column. Then you have to write the value. So firstly he wants to buy flour. Flour cost 234. So we are writing 234 at the rupee place and 50 paise. So we are writing here 50. In a similar manner, you will do the rest of all parts, sandwich, chocolate, cake, and then you will add all the cost to get the final bill to get the final bill and to get the final answer. Here we have exercise 10.5. Let us go for shopping. तो चलिए shopping पे चलते हैं. Here we have a ball, a doll, a duck, and a pencil, a toffee and so many more items. Arina buys 2 balls for, so Arina ने 2 balls खरीदी. अब 2 balls की cost क्या होगी? Because one has 10, so 2 will contain rupees 20. Arya buys 2 toy ducks for, so 2 toy duck is 50 rupees. Why so? Because 1 is the cost of 25 and 25 into 2 is 50. In a similar manner, you will fill the rest of the all parts of this question. Then we have question number 2. William went to the store. He bought a pen for rupees this much and rubber for 3.25 and a pencil for 4.75. So, prepare a bill for William. If he gave the shopkeeper of rupees 50, how much change did he get back? So, सबसे पहले आपको एक बिल प्रिपेयर करना है जिसमें आप ये 3 चीजों को लिखेंगे, उनका प्राइस लिखेंगे, कॉस्ट लिखेंगे. Then you will get the answer, the total answer, that is the total bill. Okay, and he is giving 50 rupee note. That means shopkeeper will give the change. So what change it will be, you have to write here by doing the subtraction of the bill and the 50. Now we have the fun activity which you people will do in your school with your friends. Then we have math lab activity which you people will do in your school maths lab with the help of your teacher, classmates and the students. Now we have completed our chapter. I hope each and every concept of this chapter is totally clear to you. If you found any query in any concept, please go once again to the video so that your concept is totally clear. Now I will meet you in the next video with another chapter. Till then, keep on learning, take care, stay healthy. Bye bye.